되게 많네.
You were at the Billboard Awards, but who are you excited to see at the AMAs this weekend?
For me, of course, Selena Gomez.
Wow.
We love Selena.
Are you guys, there's gonna be so many people at the AMAs. Is there anyone in particular you guys are excited to see?
Alex, Selena Gomez.
Oh, Selena Gomez.
Yeah.
What artists are you most looking forward to seeing there?
Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez.
Is there someone that you guys are looking forward to at the AMAs?
Selena Gomez.
Who are you guys excited to meet on Sunday? Any music stars you're excited to meet?
Selena Gomez.
Is there anyone here that you're a big fan of?
오늘 공연 기대되는 사람. 오늘 공연 기대되는 사람.
Selena Gomez.
Selena Gomez.
Gomez.
Who are you looking forward to seeing tonight?
Selena.
I hope you guys get to meet Selena, but if you can't, we have a cookie.
Oh my gosh, there's Selena. Thank you.
Take it, it's yours.
For me personally, I love Lose You to Love Me by Selena. Was the best.
You got off and I needed to hate you to love me, yeah. To love and love it, to love and love it, to love you. You turned me down and now it's showing. Someone wants you replaced us. Like it was easy, made me think I deserved it. To love it, to love it, to love. I just hope you're lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just too afraid that I'll be wrong. I don't wanna know if you're looking into her eyes. Is she's holding on to you so tight, the way I did before. I overdosed. Should've known your love was a game. No, I can't get you out of my brain. Ooh, it's such a shame.
That's Fan Army.
BTS Army. BTS Army.
Sorry, Selena.
또 저희의 피땀 눈물은 제임스 레이놀즈라는 영국의 유명한 믹스를 엔지니어분이 믹스를 해주셨는데요. 스눕독이나 셀레나 고메즈 같이 유명한 아티스트 분들과 작업을 하시는 분입니다.